Alright, first quick unboxing. PavoTube Pro, Redmi, powered by Xiaomi HyperOS, versus Super Dolby Vision Adam. So the sound quality should be good. Of course, it's a tablet, right? And what I got is the 8 gigs of RAM plus 128 gigs of storage, and the color is gray. Redmi Pad 2 Pro, Redmi. I don't know if like so many text, too much branding. And this is the tablet. Wow, it's kind of like heavy, to be honest, heavier than expected. But anyway, yeah, we'll take a look a little bit later. And under it, we have the 33-watt charger plus a Type-A to Type-C cable. We even have the pen and also a very simple manual and nothing in this compartment. That's only for, for protection during transit. All right, and that's the unboxing. They also come with a case. And the case is really like good quality, really solid, and they have a case that's specifically for the pad. Okay, this is not like for a keyboard or something. It feels the key traverse feels clicky. It's fine, but I definitely don't want to use this to type like for a long time. So to use the case, you can just like this, okay? And here you go. That's the whole thing. Also, yeah, that's the whole thing, the case. Let's take a quick look at the design. We have speakers on the top, and here the power key, Dolby Vision items. All right, nothing here. And down we have the Type-C. Okay, the Type-C is not like fully centered, so it's a little bit uncomfortable if you look closely. But anyway, we even have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, I haven't seen this advanced technology for a long time. So the speakers, and here we have the. All right, let's pop that thing out and let's check out what is it. So yeah, it's a TF card. All right, this is a TF card slot with the mic here and the volume rocker, and turn to the back. We have this camera module. This is a single camera, and this is the flash, but it looks like dual camera, Redmi logo, and that's it. The back looks really premium and minimalist. All right, a little bit more about the specs. So the tablet features a 12.1-inch 2.5K ultra clear IQ display. So you're using Xiaomi's Qingsan eye protection solution. So it supports 4 brightness DC dimming and hardware level low blue light. So having reduced eye strain during long reading or study sessions. So yeah, this is perfect for students, right? Regarding performance and the battery, the Redmi Pad 2 is powered by the 4th gen Snapdragon 7S platform, and this is the Android benchmark, offering a noticeable setup in everyday performance for multitasking, split screen work, and heavy apps. What I really like is the massive 12,000 mAh battery. So making it ideal for long study sessions, travel, or 4-day productivity without constantly reaching for a charger. And speaking of productivity tool, it offers the PC level WPS Office, PC level CAG Viewer, and PC level browser experience. For students, you may also really like the Xiaomi Education Center, but I'm not sure if like for users outside China, if it's available or not. I guess not, right? You also get a super sharp voice assistant plus long cross-platform features. And check out this, it supports like a wireless secondary display for Windows and a Mac. So if you want to use this to pair your your Windows or your Mac, this is the perfect set screen. And for the price, I will just list on the screen. You can check out. So for me, the Redmi Pad 2 Pro is no longer just a cheap Android tablet. With a large 2.5K IQ display, massive battery, upgraded Snapdragon performance, and increasingly PC-like software capabilities, it positions itself as a strong option for students, light professionals, and anyone who wants a larger screen device without paying their flagship tablet prices. This one is not bad. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you in the next one. Bye bye.